good.
Thank you.
Your ear look nice, everything. You look good, man. See some food here.
How did you know I was hungry?
See some water here.
How did you know I was thirsty?
Boy, you did hungry, man. You know what's the funny thing? You say, make me order some Chinese food, McQueen. And me come in your room and you wasn't here. My question is, how the hell did you eat then?
Then we had a open book night.
So how you not a balance? How you look so? Wash down your food with this. What's wrong with this? Can you smell like it? You's a junkie. You look like say a junk. You sneak out here and go gallivant and a gyrate up yourself. And you come sneak back in here like everything good. You saw junk. Sell them off your food. So your food can soak up your liquor in you. Me have something for you if you get sober again. No. Boy! You are a junkie!